Welcome to aminacademy.com. Human anatomy and physiology regarding nutrition. Let us discuss about balanced diet. A balanced diet contains appropriate proportions of all nutrients required for health, which is normally achieved by eating a variety of foods with the exemption of breast milk. This is because no single food contains the correct proportion of the essential nutrients. If any nutrient is eaten in excess or is deficient, health may be adversely affected. For example, a high energy diet can lead to obesity and an iron deficient one to anemia. A balanced diet is important in maintaining a healthy body weight, which can be assessed by calculating the body mass index. Healthy eating, that is, eating a balanced diet, requires some knowledge and planning. An important dietary consideration is the amount of energy required, which should meet individual requirements. Daily energy requirement depends on several factors, including basal metabolic rate, age, gender, and activity levels. Dietary carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are the principal energy source, and fat is the most concentrated form. Dietary energy is correctly expressed in joules or kilojoules. Although the older terms calories and kilocalories are also still used in the UK. Bread, rice, potatoes, and pasta. The British Nutrition Foundation recommends that this group should make up one third of the diet and that each meal should be based around one food from this group. Potatoes, yams, plantain, and sweet potatoes are classified as starchy carbohydrates, for example, and are therefore considered within this group rather than as fruit and vegetables. Other foods in this group includes breakfast cereals, rice, and noodles. These foods are sources of carbohydrates and fibers that provides sustained energy release. Some also contain iron and B group vitamins including folic acids. These are some groups of food for nutrients. Fruit and vegetables. Foods in the group includes fresh, frozen, and canned products, 100% fruit or vegetable juice, and pure fruit smoothies. Milk and dietary foods. Foods in this group provide protein and minerals, including calcium and zinc. Some are also a source of vitamins A, B2, and B12. They include milk, cheese, formage fries, and yogurt, and often contain considerable amounts of fat. Intake should therefore be limited to 3 servings per day. Meat, fish, eggs, and beans. In addition to the food shown in the plate, eat good well plate, this group includes meat products such as bacon, sausage, beef, burgers, salami, and meat. Moderate amounts are recommended because many have a high fat content. It is suggested that fish, including one portion of oily fish, example salmon, trout, sardines, or fresh tuna, is eaten twice weekly. This food group provides protein, iron, vitamin B and D, and sometimes minerals. Vegetarians alternatives include tofu, nuts, beans, and pulses. Foods and drinks high in fat and or sugar. These foods are illustrated in plate and also include oils, butter, margarine, including low-fat spreads, mayonnaise, fried food including chips, crisps, sweets, chocolates, cream, ice cream, puddings, jam and sugar, and soft drinks, but not diet drinks. Additional recommendation. There are plenty of additional recommendation of food combinations to good nutrients. Now we'll discuss further detail about a balanced diet. A balanced diet provides the seven essential nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals, fibers, and water in the correct proportion for human growth, health, and function. This diverse intake supports energy productions, tissue repair, and metabolic process, preventing malnutrition and chronic diseases. Incorporating whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, along with adequate water, helps meet to nutritional needs and maintain a healthy body weight and strong immune system. Essential component of balanced diet: carbohydrates, the body's primary energy source, found in foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins, crucial for building and repairing tissues and are a minor energy source obtained from sources like legumes, fish, meat, and eggs. Fats, that is lipids, an important energy source and are vital for cell membrane, hormone production, and other bodily functions. Vitamins, organic compounds that play crucial roles in cellular processes and must be obtained from the diet. Minerals, inorganic elements essential for normal bodily functions and are stored in the body primarily in bones. Fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate the digestive system. Water acts as a transport medium for nutrients and is involved in numerous metabolic reactions, making it essential for all bodily functions. Why a balanced diet is important? Optimal health. A balanced diet ensures the body receives all necessary nutrients to function efficiently and stay free from diseases. Energy levels. It provides a sufficient energy to meet daily physical and mental demands. Tissue repair. Proteins and the diet are vital for the growth and repair of body tissues. Disease prevention. A balanced intake of nutrients helps reduce the risk of chronic illnesses such as heart diseases and diabetes. Immune system support. Proper nutrition strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. Tips for a balanced diet: variety. Consume a wide range of foods from all major food groups to get a variety of nutrients. Fruits and vegetables include at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables daily. Whole grain base meals and higher fiber starchy food like whole grains, potatoes, and pasta. Protein sources: incorporate lean proteins from sources such as fish, beans, pulses, and lean meats. Healthy fats: choose unsaturated oils and spreads and consume them in a small amounts. Fluids: drink plenty of fluids, primarily water, throughout the day. What is body mass index, BMI? The body mass index, BMI, is a simple, inexpensive screening tool that uses the person's weight and height to estimate body fat. It is calculated as weight in kilograms divided by the square of the height in meters. BMI categories classify individuals as underweight, healthy weight, overweight, or obese, with a healthy range typically considered 18.5 to 24.9. It is a range considered rapid, typically considered 18.5 to 24.9 is a normal. While a useful indicator of health risks, BMI has limitations as it does not account for body composition like muscle mass and should be considered alongside other factors and professional medical advice. Look at here body mass index BMI 18.5 to 24.9 is a normal, 25 to 29.9 is a overweight, obese is 30 to 39.59, morbidly obese greater than 40. So far we discussed about nutrition, that is a balanced diet. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.